Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna make or cook a hot cake, Filipino style. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need 2 eggs, teaspoon vanilla, this one, and then 1/3 cup white sugar. Okay, 1/3 cup white sugar, and then 2 cups milk, and then 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoon baking powder, and then 1/4 cup melted butter, and then 1/2 teaspoon yellow coloring, this one. And then we need also margarine for the finish. When it is finished, we're gonna put margarine and sugar also. Sorry. 2 eggs. Okay. And then 2 eggs. And then 1 teaspoon vanilla. One-third cup white sugar. Two cups milk, 2 cups all-purpose flour also. Okay. 2 cup teaspoon baking powder. Okay. Okay. Guys. Okay. Butter. Okay. Okay, it's already cooked because there's already kanang gagmayng lungag-lungag. Okay, oh, look at that one. Pagihawon niya ato ibutan diri, guys. Okay. Dako siya man. Okay, it's a little bigger because so that we're going to finish right away. Okay, while still hot. And this one. And then we're gonna put in the one day sugar. But if you didn't know, you don't need sugar. You just okay. So I'm gonna put margarine, okay? Okay, and then put over here, and then put margarine also here. And then flip it over. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. So we put it here. One. Okay. Okay, we put margarine and then like that. Then we put in the sugar and then put margarine. Okay. So we're gonna flip it and then Mm. So that the sugar nga mabalance siya eh. Ana. Okay guys, so look at that one. Oh. And we're done. Oh, it becomes a little born of this one. Okay. But it's still okay guys. Okay. I'm gonna okay, and we're gonna do like that. And then the margarine. Okay. And then this one. Okay guys, so this is it. Okay, this is the one at the bottom because it's not super hot anymore. Okay, so this is it. Okay. It's yummy guys. Pancake Filipino style. It's yummy. No, not pancake, I mean hot cake. Okay? The hot cake is very yummy. It's Filipino style. Mao ni siya gitinda ing nani sa merkado. It's yummy. Yummy. So, Mamshis, you can make like this and sell it. Or snacks for the kids, mga kids. Okay guys, so that's our hot cake. That's our hot cake Filipino style, okay? That's yummy. Thank you for watching guys, and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye bye.